Okay, I'm shooting this video to let Burner know that this launcher is still defective. I should have had the camera on. I did record some, but I didn't get the defective, what I'm dealing with now. It was a fresh CO2, this was fresh. I loaded it and pulled the trigger, and the trigger pulled, but the clip in the other video kind of came out. And then one projectile was stuck in the chamber. It was stuck. The trigger released and I couldn't pull the trigger. It just was flapping. So I decided to take the CO2 out, and that's when the trigger came back, and I'm gonna try this again. So give me a minute. I'm gonna get started. I don't want this to be too long. So I do have a full clip here. As you can see, there's a full clip. I'm going to take a fresh CO2 12-gram cartridge. Hopefully I can get this right this time. I'm going to load the launcher. As you can see, it is on safety. Let's get a little closer. It is on safety. See that? All right, it is not loaded. There's no clip. All right, so we did put the CO2 in. We're gonna go on and put this in and see what happens. All right, we're gonna keep the camera rolling this time, and we're gonna send this one in so that Burner can see what's going on with this launcher. Okay, as you can see, it's still not empty. I mean, it is empty, as you can see. We are gonna load it. That clip is in there, and that is loaded. As you can see, the safety is on. All right, let's just move this camera back. It is kind of loud, so we're gonna turn on a little music. If it works, here we go. What we got?
I would like to introduce.
Let's take it off safety.
Hello.
You saw that. We're gonna put it back on safety. So we still have the problem where the projectile is coming out of the launcher. So we're gonna release that mag. There is 3 in the mag, and then there's 1 in the clip. I believe you heard that. So that hit the floor. So it's still not working. So I'm going to put this back in the box, and I'm going to send it right back to you. Please, once you see this video, do not send me this one back. I would appreciate to get one that works. Give me a call when you get this video. Thanks, Burner.